بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 8. We are in model 6, lesson 3. Solve systems of equations by situation. Solve system of equations by situation. The question here, solve each system of equation by situation, check your solution. As you remember, last lesson or the previous lesson, we solved the system of equation using the graphing. And we see when we graph the two linears, we see the instruction point, the common point between the two linears. If we have the common point between two linears, means we have solution or one solution. If the two linear parallel, means we don't have common point between them, means no solution, Now we want to do the same idea, but using the algebra method, using the method of situation. So listen to the first example. As you see here, we have two equations, y equal to x plus 12. This is equation 1. And y equal minus x plus 18. This is equation 2. As you see, the two equations start from y equal. So this is the value of y here, and this is the value of y here. We want to take the value of y in the second equation and situate in the value of y in the first equation. So what is the value of y in the second equation? Minus x plus 18. Take it and put it in the first side in the first equation. So we can write now minus x plus 18 equal 2x plus 12. Then I have here normal equation. I want to solve this equation. When you want to solve this kind of equations, take the variable to the same side and take the constant to the same side. So I want to take 2x to the first side. Here we have minus x. And when you take any term from side to the next side, you can switch the sign. If you have negative, put it positive, and if you have positive, put it negative. Here we have positive, so put it negative. So negative 2x equal 12. And we want to take 18 to the second side. 18 positive will be what? Negative. Then compute the like terms, add the like terms. And here we have negative 1 and negative 2, negative 1 plus negative 2 will be negative 3. X equal 12 minus 18 will be minus 6. To solve this equation, we want to remove the coefficient. So you can divide the two sides by negative 3. I will continue here. So negative 3 divided by negative 3 remains here x. In the second side, negative divide negative positive. 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So now we solve the value of x. Remains the value of y. You can substitute in the first equation or in the second equation the same idea. So from the second equation, for example, y equal minus x minus or negative, the value of x will be what? Will be 2 plus 18. So negative 2 plus 18 will be 16. So the common solution, x equal to and y equal what? 16 and y equal 16. Now we want to check if my work true or not true. Take the value of x and the value of y and substitute in the first equation or in the second equation. I will start from the first equation. What is the value of y? 16. Is it 16 equal 2 times x? What is the value of x? As you see here, 2 plus 12. Is it 16 equal 2 times 2 plus 12? So in the first side, rewrite 16. Is it equal 2 times 2, 4? 4 plus 12 will be 16. Yes. So we have true equation, means we have here true solution for the first equation. So make check for the second equation. Go to the second equation. Y, the value of y will be 16. Is it 16 equal negative x, means negative 2, negative 2 plus 18. So is it 16 equal negative 2 plus 18? Negative 2 plus 18 will be 16. Yes, this is a true equation, means this is a true solution. Right. Listen to me to the exercise number 2. As you see here, we have the first equation, right here 1. The second equation need to prepare to be like y equal mx plus b. We want to prepare the second equation. So we can take minus 18 to the second side. We can write here 2y equal minus 18x. When you take it to the second side, will be 18x. Then here you have minus 2. Then we want to remove 2 from this side. So you can divide the two sides by 2. Divide here by 2. Divide here by 2. Divide here by 2. So 2y divided by 2 will be y equal 18 divided by 2 will be 9x. Then minus 2 divided by 2 will be minus 1. This is the second equation. Now, as you see in the first equation, we have y equal, and in the second equation, we have y equal. So we want to substitute the value of y in the second equation and the value of y in the first equation. So the value of y here will be 9x minus 1 equal, the second side here we have 9x minus 1. Now we want to solve this equation. We want to solve this equation. So combine the like terms in the same side. So we can take the variable term here to the first side. Here in the first side we have 9x. And bring 9x in the second side to the first side will be negative 9x equal. Here you have here negative 1, and bring here negative 1 to the second side will be positive 1. Now 9 minus 9, 0. So means we have 0x equal. Minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. Now, which number times 0 equals 0? All numbers. All numbers. Means here we have many solution. Here we have infinity, many solution. Here we have infinity, many solutions. Right. I want to from all, you have 5 minutes. Try to find the common solution between the two system equations, please. Then tell me what is your answer. Number 3. Yes, Fatima.
I got 4 and -3.
4 and -3. Great work, Fatima. I will add to you 1 mark for Fatima. Yes. Who has else? نحل رقم 3. Okay, who has different answer? طيب, check with me, please. And here we have the first equation, and here we have the second equation. As you see, the first equation y equal, and the second equation y equal. So substitute the value of the y in the second equation in the value of y in the first equation. So go to the first equation, put the value of y -3x plus 9. So -3x plus 9 equal, this is the value of y in the first equation, equal, the second side here will be 1 over 2x minus 5. The second step, combine the like terms in the same side. Take 1 over 2x in the second side to the first side. So we have -3x, -1 over 2x, equal, in the second side here we have -5, and 9 will be -9. So we want to add -3 with -1 over 2, or you can multiply the two sides by 2 to remove the fraction. It's up to you. So if stand up, please. One morning. So if you multiply the two sides by 2, you will give here -6x. Then 2 times -1 over 2 will be -1, means -1x, equal, -5 times 2 will be -10, and -9 times 2 will be -18. -6 and x will be -7, x equal, -10, -18 will be -28. Then we want to solve this equation. You can divide the two sides by -7. So remains here x, -7 divided by -7 will be 1, means 1x, and -28 divided by -7 will be 4. So we know now the value of 4. We want to solve the value of y. You can substitute in the first equation or in the second equation, the same idea. So for easy way, substitute in the second equation. Y equal -3x minus 3 multiplied by the value of x will be 4 plus 9. So y equal -3 times 4 will be -12, plus 9. So negative 12 plus 9 will be negative 3. So the common solution will be 4 in x and negative 3 in y. So Fatima have the correct answer. If you want to check, you can take the common solution and substitute in the first equation. Go back to the first equation. We have y equal, what is the value of y? Negative 3. So is it negative 3? Equal 1 over 2 times the value of x, 4, minus 5. So in the first side here we have negative 3. Is it equal? 4 times 1, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 minus 5 will be negative 3. So yes, negative 3 equal negative 3. So the common solution here is true for the first equation. Check for the second equation. We have here y equal, what is the value of y? Negative 3. Is it negative 3 equal negative 3 times the value of x? The value of x will be 4 plus 9. Is it negative 3 equal, as you see here, negative 3 times 4 will be negative 12. Negative 12 plus 9 will be negative 3. Yes, negative 3 equal negative 3. We have true equation, means this is a true solution. This is a true solution. I will send to you the PowerPoint of this lesson, and I will send to you the extra practice and the answers. And I want from all to work inside or through this worksheet. And tomorrow, inshallah, we will continue our work in the same worksheet. Tomorrow we will continue our work from number 4. But I want all students to work today in this idea. If you have any question, you can ask me, inshallah, tomorrow. Do you have any question? So this is our period for today. Finished? Baker finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Latifa? Where is Latifa? Oh, not here. So thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.